Um, Hello, welcome back. Or, yeah, welcome back. If you're new here, hello. If you're not, it's been a minute, I will not lie. But I just wanted to do a quick brow tutorial. I've gotten a lot of questions asking like how I do them, and this is how I do them. Yeah, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Like if you want to, subscribe if you want to. But yeah, enjoy. Okay, so I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Really simple actually. I just use, there's two products I use actually. It's either the Got2b Glued styling spiking glue, which is water resistant, and you know, on a rainy day you might need that. Or I use the Makeup Revolution soap brow. Let me pull that out real quick. This is what that looks like, and you open it and a nice clean soap thing. I will say I think this is better if you're looking for more like of a laminate brow, like really like to your face, and this like styling glue I would say is for just like, I think in the long run, like I think this lasts longer and it's cheaper. This is $2.99 and this makes my brows like you can't see it like piling up right here. But this is so good too. Like this introduced me to soap brows, and it's only $8. So, and it lasts a long time if you don't use as much as I do. So yeah, so I'm gonna use the styling glue just because it's newer to me. So I've just been in the habit of using this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just take on the edge of a spoolie brush. This is from e.l.f. This is the Lash and Brow Wand. And then I just take about that much, if you can see. And I'm going to do the same for the other side and just brush this through. Now, the downfall of like soap brows and anything in general, my hair looks very straight, is that I have to go and clean up any of the product because I do my brows before I do like my foundation and everything. So I have to go and clean up wherever the gel was on. And so that's what that looks like. And then I take a brown eyeshadow and on the back of a eyebrow duo brush from e.l.f. I'm gonna dip into Soft Glam, and I'm gonna use, I usually go between Rustic and Cypress Umber. Cypress, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna go for a darker brown today, and so I'm just gonna go into that darker brown. Cypress Umber, I have no clue. And just do little upward strokes. So then I go in with my lovely e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade, I'm shade Fair Beige. This is my lighter shade. You'll see in my base tutorial that I use two concealer shades, and this is just the lighter one. And the lighter one I use to define and shape my brow. And then it's a little thick on that side, isn't it? I don't know. My brows are almost never the same, so. So if you feel like I'm feeling like that looks like a little bald-ish, I'll just go in just lightly kind of, whoop, went a little too low. I'm always more proud of this brow, I will say. But yeah, that's how I do my brows. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like I said before, my Instagram, my TikTok will be down below as well. I know it's so embarrassing that I say TikTok, I think sometimes, because I still like have my impressions of it being so cringy. But it's actually a lot of fun. But those will be listed down below, and so will the products that I used and a link to get them. So yeah, alright, thank you for watching.